Yes, welcome back to the channel and to another video where we are here in Blackpool on the Blackpool Tower Headland to take you on this Starflyer just behind us. We're also going to take you on for a few shots from the ground as well. But before we do that, make sure you are subscribed to the channel and hit the notification bell if you are new. Hit the like button as well and follow us on our social media, which can be seen at the bottom of the screen. Like I say, we are going to take you on there. But before we do that, let's show you from the ground. Oh, here we go. This is the view as we go up. That is really high. As it now picks speed up. Oh, it's so cold as well. Nearly at the top. Down now. quite windy as well. That and the cold air. Start making the descent again. Advertised ride of 5 minutes. It's just over 5 minutes and we've still got a halfway to go down. Tonight's price, being a Monday night, is £7.50. That's per person. Tell you what, it's quite daunting because it swings a little bit. It tips you forward a little bit. I think that's the scariest bit of it. Go back down. I'll tell you something, that was a very daunting experience. That was around the world sky swing here on Blackpool Promenade. Very daunting. When you're up there, it's so cold, and yeah, you're looking down at some height, 60 meters high that is. It's just below the half of the height of the tower, but I've compared it to Ice Blast at Blackpool Pleasure Beach. It's probably the same height as that. But going round, you go to the top and then you come down a bit and then you go back up. So it's not for the faint-hearted, and I really enjoyed that. It was £7.50 tonight, so the prices I think are going to change through the season. It is here until the 3rd of January next year. If you do get the opportunity to go on it, do it. But other than that, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed that video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, leave a comment, and we'll see you again in another video. See you later.